So friend, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of 2026. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra has recently launched, leaks and rumors for the next generation flagship are already in circulation. Rumored to include camera upgrades, high-speedy Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, and sleek design details. Here's everything we have so far. So friend, Samsung has always released its Galaxy S Ultra series in January, with the sales commencing in February. If the same timeline is maintained by the company, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be released on January 21 with the official release date on February 4. But these dates are predicted and could be alterated as we approach the launch. And Samsung will likely carry over the quad camera setup but might add an enhancements to generally enhance image quality. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could have 200 megapixel primary sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel 5x zoom lens, and 10 megapixel 3x zoom lens. A front camera of 12 megapixel is also likely, but early rumors proposed that Samsung could offer an under-display selfie camera, meaning no punch hole cutout and a fully uninterrupted display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a flat-sided design, and Samsung is likely to carry over this design for the S26 Ultra. But the under-display selfie camera, if true, would introduce a fully seamless screen experience, and the 6.9-inch AMOLED screen is expected to stay the same but may include brighter and more efficient materials, less reflections, up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, and better outdoor visibility. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor based on a 3nm process, and Samsung's 2nm chip manufacturing is said to be struggling, so Qualcomm might stick with 3nm technology for this generation. And the anticipated hardware specifications are 12GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery, 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, and 256GB and 512GB and 1TB storage options are there. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.